So, welcome.
Back, Subi's Garage.
So, how's your feeling?
Feeling a bit better.
Better now?
Refreshed.
Alright, that's nice.
Yes.
So guys, this is our second month from Meta. So thank you so much. Also, thank you so much to 134k followers. What can you say, Eileen?
I just can't believe that.
Yeah.
In such a little time.
So guys, we split this money, alright? So yeah, this is true, alright? $100 deal. Then we have also 50 and 10. Of course, we have coins. 100% we split the money, alright? This is for Hailey, okay? For me, Hailey. For me, for Hailey. For me, for Hailey. For me, for Hailey. For me, for Hailey. For me. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. For Hailey. For me. For Hailey. For me. And, of course, yun guys. So, count it, Hailey. How much you get? Count it. Yeah, count it.
Let's count it up, you guys.
Count it how much you got, Hailey.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh, hang on, I lost it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 661.
661, alright?
661.
We got yes, 132. No. 1,362.
Something too, yeah.
Yeah. So just check where's your phone? Check your message. I'll give you the receipt. Check your message. I send you the receipt. Yeah.
Oh, yep. Not there.
Ayan guys, so 1,322 and 64. Alright, I'll give you that $1. Alright? So ayan guys, so ayan kung makikita nyo. See? So that's for our second month pay from Meta. So thank you so much, Meta. And of course, thank you so much to all the followers.
Shout out to you all.
So this is for the followers, alright? $100 for you guys. Alright. I'll let you know how to claim this $100 later on, okay? And some of this, I'm buying tools for you guys as well. Some of this is, yeah, all giveaway. Some of this is I'm paying the taxes here in Australia. So don't worry, this is all for you guys. So I'm just thank to Hailey to help. Yeah. All right, to helping me to grow these followers. So thank you so much, Hailey. What can you say?
I'm going to say thank you, Renat. And thank you, everyone.
All right, guys. So think apart in your $100. I'll say this is almost 4,000 pesos. Okay, so I'll giving away this. Let's see. Para kanino to, guys? 4,000 pesos. Okay, thanks, Hailey.
Thank you, guys.
See you again, guys.
Till next time.
Yeah, alright.